a comparison between the Eastpak Tranverz and the Transit R Plus rolling Holdalls from Aspen of Hereford. I hope this will help you decide which Holdall is the right one for you. We will start on the top of the Holdalls. The Tranverz has a raised TSA lock and the Transit R Plus has a flush lock. We find a rolled webbing handle on the Tranverz, but a padded fabric handle on the Transit R Plus. Moving to the front of the Holdalls. The Tranverz has a large pocket that runs top to bottom, whereas the Transit R Plus has two pockets, a shallow top pocket with a larger lower pocket. Both are zipped. The Transit R Plus has an additional two grab handles on the front, located near the top and the bottom. Both are padded fabric handles. The Tranverz has two wide curb guard bars, whereas the Transit R Plus has two narrow ones that also extend down and under the case. If we look at the bases, on the Tranverz we have a second rolled webbing grab handle. Both cases share on the outside D-shaped feet for stability on the base, and this also helps keep the Holdall off the wet ground, and inline skate wheels. They both have two pairs of cinch straps and a retractable trolley handle. Inside they both share the double-decker system, with the base and the lid section having their own zip dividers. Elastic compression straps can be found in the base of each of the rolling Holdalls. The Tranverz has a small flap fabric pocket, and the Transit R Plus has the same pocket, but it is mesh. Both rolling Holdalls measure 79 centimetres tall, 40 centimetres wide and 33 centimetres deep. Both weigh 3.7 kilograms and have a volume of 121 litres.